Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, your go-to spot for the latest on all things stocks, market trends, and financial insights. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in the world of investing, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. Lucid Group, Incorporated, ticker symbol LCID. You've probably heard of them. They're making waves in the electric vehicle space with their luxurious, innovative cars. And if you're into the EV revolution, this one's definitely worth paying attention to. So, in today's video, we're going to dive into everything you need to know about Lucid's recent financial performance, some big news they've made, and what their future could look like in the world of electric vehicles. Whether you're already a fan or just curious about what's going on with this company, stick around. We've got a lot to cover. But before we get into the details, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content, share it with your friends who are into stocks or EVs, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. All right, let's get started by talking about how Lucid Group is performing in the stock market right now. Currently, LCID is sitting at around $3.33 per share, which might sound a little low compared to some of its competitors, but there's some interesting stuff happening here. That's a huge leap and definitely points to growing interest from investors who might be seeing big things coming from Lucid in the near future. Of course, the stock isn't exactly at its highest point right now. It's still about 23.93% below its 52-week high, so there's definitely room for potential upside if this rally continues. But there's more good news. Lucid has posted an EPS growth of 12.59% this year, and analysts are forecasting that to skyrocket to 19.98% next year. That's definitely something to keep an eye on. Now let's talk sales. Over the past 5 years, Lucid has seen a mind-blowing 907.68% increase in annual sales growth. That's some impressive scaling up, and it shows that the company is making significant strides in ramping up production and sales. Plus, the stock is 35.93% above its 50-day moving average, which further suggests that investors are feeling pretty bullish about Lucid's future. Now that we have an idea of how Lucid is doing financially, let's dive into some big moves the company has been making lately. And trust me, these are huge. First up, Lucid has officially joined Saudi Arabia's Made in Saudi Arabia program. This is massive. They're the first automotive manufacturer to get the rights to use the program's logo. So why is this important? Well, Saudi Arabia has big plans to become a global leader in electric vehicle manufacturing, and by partnering with Lucid, they're showing the world they mean business. Minister of Industry Bandar Al-Khorayef even mentioned that Lucid's participation aligns with Saudi Arabia's goal of enhancing its industrial sector and attracting international investment. This could really put Lucid at the forefront of the electric vehicle market in the Middle East, opening up a whole new region for growth. Next, let's talk about one of Lucid's most exciting partnerships with Panasonic Energy. This is huge for Lucid, especially when you consider the upcoming Lucid Gravity SUV. The Gravity is going to be powered by Panasonic's next-gen lithium-ion EV battery cells. These battery cells have a 40% smaller footprint than most competitors' batteries, but still deliver exceptional range and performance. Speaking of range, the Lucid Gravity is going to have an EPA-estimated range of up to 450 miles on a single charge, which is pretty much in a league of its own. It's also got 828 horsepower, so it's not just about efficiency. This SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Now that's some serious performance combined with luxury, making the Gravity a standout in the EV SUV market. The best part? The battery cells used in the Gravity offer industry-leading energy density of over 800 watt-hours per liter, and they're designed for fast charging, enhanced safety, and peak performance. This partnership is not just about tech, it's about positioning Lucid as a major player in the luxury electric vehicle space. Let's shift gears for a second and talk about production and delivery numbers. In the fourth quarter of 2024, Lucid produced 3,386 vehicles and delivered 3,099 vehicles. Not bad, but here's the kicker. About 7% of those deliveries were subject to operating lease accounting. When we look at the full year of 2024, Lucid produced 9,029 vehicles and delivered 10,241 vehicles with 5% under lease accounting. These numbers show that Lucid is really ramping up production, but they're not stopping here. They're still working hard to scale up and meet the growing demand for their luxury EVs. And here's something that's really exciting. Lucid has officially started production of the Lucid Gravity SUV at its Arizona factory. This is a major milestone for the company, and it shows that they're serious about bringing a high-performance, luxury SUV to market. The Gravity is unique because it combines the interior space of a full-size SUV with the performance of a sports car, all while using fewer resources than many of its competitors. Lucid's CEO, Peter Rawlinson, emphasized that the Gravity is designed to give customers the best of both worlds, the practicality of a family SUV with the high-end performance that Lucid is known for. This SUV is going to be a game changer, especially when it comes to pushing the limits of what electric vehicles can do. So, what does all this mean for Lucid Group? Well, if you're an investor or just an EV enthusiast, there's a lot to be excited about. Lucid has made impressive strides in the EV space, from its growing production numbers to strategic partnerships like the one with Panasonic. They're also setting themselves up for massive growth with the launch of the Lucid Gravity SUV and their strong push into the Middle East. Lucid's journey is far from over, and their future looks incredibly promising. As they continue to scale production, improve technology, and push boundaries in the luxury EV market, we could see this company make some serious moves in the years to come. That's all for today's update on Lucid Group. What do you think about Lucid's progress and their plans for the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Stocks Telegraph for more insights on stocks, markets, and everything finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.